braze, son. I am gonna fall on the ground and die. Unreal. I'm here to tell you right now, this thing is badass. I need to get a pressure regulator. Oh man, dude, that was freaking gnarly. I did, because I don't have a regulator, the flame went down on me so slowly that I didn't notice it. I was literally a frog in boiling water there. And towards the end, when I fired that heat back up, man, incredible things started happening there. It'll be about a week before this sucker cools off. I think I just earned a break. Oh man, dude. I do not have a piece of equipment in my shop that could come anywhere near close to welding or brazing metal this freaking heavy. Now that was by no means the economical route, but if you can braze metal that heavy with propane, dude, I think you've got something here. I gotta get out of here. That is a beautiful sight. I said that if this thing brazed this heavy metal, I would fall on the ground and die. Raise from the dead, edit the video, post it, and then die again. Dude, that is not a propane torch. That is a high velocity propane torch. Completely different animal, guys. And I'm not just spraying air in with my propane. The way I'm mixing it is apparently damn near revolutionary, because never in my life have I heard of anyone even thinking they could braze 1/4 inch steel with a propane torch. Jeez. And that is a big old fat bead too. Unbelievable, dude. The hand dragon. There's a link in the description. Get yours from eBay. Definitely selling these things on eBay, fellas. If you want a blowtorch that can crank out 500,000 BTUs in a fist-sized flame, then this is definitely the beast for you. This would be one hell of a preheat torch as well. And as I said, it will not have this kind of nozzle on it. I've got something new cooking over here. Something even more amazing. It's called wet paint. Damn it. This is the nozzle that you would most likely get. I'm also selling these separately for 75 bucks on eBay. So, the hand dragon's a done deal, guys. It passed the test. This thing's getting its own eBay page for sure. Amazing piece of equipment. I mean, this thing's actually useful, and it can burn any fuel you put down that barrel. This is the fuel penstock. You cannot interchange these. That will delineate the amazing configuration that I've discovered here. Now, I'm sure someone 100 years ago has invented this setup, but tell you what, guys, what we just seen was borderline extraordinary, in my opinion. That was freaking awesome. I can't shut up about it. Dude. Alright, I'm shutting up. I'm going to edit this. It's Sunday. You guys need something to look at, I'm sure. This is for all you guys who don't have any tools.